Good afternoon to all. This is Dr. S.D. Union Rose, Assistant Professor, Department of BCA, RMG Engineering College. Today we are going to discuss about the transport layer protocols. One of the transport layer protocol, that is user datagram protocol. So the transport layer protocols. So the transport layer has several services. The services which we have discussed already, it is commonly for process-to-process communication. Then the transport layer is used for multiplexing, demultiplexing. The third function is it is connectionless or connection-oriented protocol. And the fourth one is reliable or unreliable protocol. These are some of the services. Based on the connection-oriented connectionless protocol, we are going to discuss this transport layer protocol as three categories. One is the first one should be the TCP, the second one should be the UDP, and the third one should be the SCTP. So TCP, UDP are the main transport layer protocols. UDP is nothing but a connectionless protocol, and TCP is nothing but a connection-oriented protocol. So the combined version of TCP and UDP will be called as the nested thing, that is SCTP. Okay, so this is how this UDP and TCP works. So in this TCP, the received packet will be as a stream by stream, one by one it will be delivered. But in UDP, the packet, whether it is received or not, the bulk of data packets as a stream of bytes will be transmitted. So this is how TCP and UDP works. So today we are going to discuss about the UDP. Okay, that is nothing but the unreliable protocol. So the user datagram protocol is nothing but an unreliable connectionless transport layer protocol, which will be used linked with your application layer process. TCP is nothing but a transmission control protocol, which is a reliable connection-oriented protocol that can be used in application where reliability is important. That is what is used in internet today. SCTP, stream control transmission protocol, which combines the features of UDP and TCP. So these are the port numbers which are assigned for the TCP and UDP. The port numbers is based on the socket addressing, which comprises of your port number as well as the IP address at the network layer. So these are the commonly available protocols which will be defined with several port numbers, which is used both in your UDP and TCP. So what is user datagram protocol? User datagram protocol is a connectionless protocol, unreliable transport protocol, in which the packets are called as datagrams, which is having a fixed size header of 8 bytes made of 4 fields, each of 2 bytes. That is layer-wise layer, we are having 16 bits plus 16 bits. So this is the header structure. So the header structure, as I told you, it is having 8 bytes as a header structure. Totally, it can have the data up to 65,535 bytes. That is 16 bits, 2 power 16 will be 65,536. So we start from 0, so it will be up to 65,535. The 8 bytes are divided into 4 fields. So first 16-bit field for source port number, that is nothing but a socket addressing of your source, that is your client, and the destination port number is nothing but the server port number, which is of 16 bits, and the total length, that is total length is up to 65,535. How much we have used will be defined in the total length, and the checksum, which is nothing but the error control protocol, which will be defining this is the one which is used for error control. We can't able to use the CRC technology or CRC methodology in this protocol. So UDP services. What are services offered is, first one should be the socket address. I told you, based on the client to server, we are going for process to process communication using the socket address, which is the combination of the IP address and the port number. Second should be the connectionless services. It provides the connectionless services. That means datagram will be transmitted without any requirement of a connection. And the third one should be the flow control. Flow control is nothing but we are using the flow. We are not going for any flow control, because in the data link layer, we are not going to use any windowing mechanism. The receiver may overcome with the incoming messages because of this non-availability of your flow control methodology. Error control, there is no specific error control mechanism, but we are using to detect the error as a checksum. And the next should be the congestion control. So congestion control, we are using this congestion control here. The congestion control provided is depending on the type of protocol. So it cannot create congestion in the network if you are using this congestion control. Encapsulation and decapsulation, this is nothing but another one service which is offered with the transport layer. The UDP datagrams are encapsulated in the sender side and it is decapsulated in the receiving side. Queuing technology. So queuing, as we are giving the more number of data packets at a time, queues are associated with the ports. At the client side, when a process starts, it requires a port number from the operating system. And in the receiving side, it will be following the queue number. That is nothing but your which one should be delivered first in, first out technology. And the next should be the service offered by the UDP is multiplexing and demultiplexing. In this multiplexing technology, we are using the transmitting side, the multiplexing will be done, and if there is the receiving side, we will be going for demultiplexing. So, what are the applications of UDP? As it is a connectionless service, all your data client application need to send a short request message will be done through this UDP. Second one should be the lack of error control. We can't provide error control since it will be providing an unreliable service. But whatever may be, it will be using some of the guaranteed service by providing the checksum methodology. And the lack of congestion control, as it does not provide any congestion control, it does not create any additional traffic in the error prone network. So that TCP may resend a packet, but UDP can't able to resend this packet. So what are the applications? It is used in all the file transfer protocols. That is the application layer protocol, file transfer protocol, then email, SNMP, then the routing information protocol is used by this user datagram protocol. So this is about the introduction of your user datagram protocol. In the next, we can see about your TCP. Thank you.